You know, when I first came on Bolt-On Technology about 5 years ago, and we were talking to shops about using text, they were saying, man, this is way too impersonal. We don't want to do it. We'd rather pick up the phone and get a busy signal or leave a message that no one ever returns. Well, you know what? This is no longer a device that people don't use, because 97% of Americans every week are using text. And if your shop is not up to speed in using that text, you're missing out on a lot of contacts with your customers. So take a look at this video so that you can see it's time to text. Is texting impersonal? No, it's not. Bolt-On makes it easy, though, to personalize your text communications. To personalize text messages, you always had to type. And you know what? We all personalized ourselves with our misspellings and everything else that'll happen as we're typing out every message. But Bolt-On Technology, the Message Manager, makes it very easy for you to build templates. And these templates will self-customize to every customer. So let's take a look. Open up Quick Message in Message Manager and go over to Quick Templates. And as you can see here, you can build multiple templates that will customize themselves to every customer that you wish to send them to. As a matter of fact, you can have templates for all the different situations that you would need to send text messages to customers. Building them is pretty easy. Go right into the template builder and build one from scratch. Hit the add button, give it a name that makes sense to your people. And then go through using wildcards like this, where we can put the customer's name in and build a message. And yeah, you got to type it this time, but the thing is, you're going to be able to go back, correct it, and never have to type it again. So continue to build that message, adding your wildcards right from the list, and customize this message once and for all, and send it 100 times afterwards, every time, customizing itself to each customer. Go up to the list, take a look here, and look how it fills in all the information and send it on its way. With personalized messages, your customers are going to be more responsive to your text messaging. So there you go. Personalizing text messaging and sending it to your customers is going to change your interaction. It's more personal. And the fact that you can build a template in just a couple clicks after it's done, that it's totally got the customer's information, everything input, and you hit click and it's on its way, and they feel like you're communicating only with them. So get out there and build some templates.